Good morning, it's Lynette here. So today is day number 9 of our advent calendar season, and I am going to, as always, start by opening the boots number 7, the advent calendar. So day number 9, it's the box here, and let's see what's in it. Oh, it's tweezers. Now, I don't think you can go wrong with tweezers, but these are good ones because they're kind of got like a silicone grip. There we go. So I've got one pair that sit upstairs, but I'll be popping these in my makeup bag for when I spot those kind of, I can't speak this morning, when I spot those stray hairs. I can't say it. So yeah, no, I'm really pleased to receive that. Could actually have done with some, just got the one pair, and I'm also hoping to get to Boots to pick up the little blush that I got the voucher for. I don't want to let that go to waste. So, what have we got in here? Here. We have opened day 9. No, we've not. We're on day 9. Oh, I'm losing track. I've just opened that day 9, so surely I should remember. So it's a little thin one. And it is I've never heard of this brand before. It's an eye pencil, but it's from Diego Dalla Palma number 1. There we go. So I do like an eye pencil. I usually do use a liquid eyeliner, but I will make use of this. Rolling it back up. Anyway guys, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.